Hello everyone, this is Mama Liu's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious and crispy popcorn chicken. Let's start. Be ready to fry. We need to fry it 2 times. First time we need to fry it about 3 or 4 minutes using medium lower heat till the chicken change the color, change the golden color and take out. Second time fried, we use a medium high heat. Fry it about 30 seconds and take out. Now we're ready for serving. Looks very delicious and crispy. We can make a homemade popcorn chicken and hope everybody enjoy it. Thank you for your watching. The sauce we can use ketchup, and you can use green onion and the black pepper for the flavor, and tastes very good too. Thank you for your watching. We'll see you for next time. Bye bye.